Welcome guys to my new tutorials on statistics. In these tutorials, we're going to take a look at 4 levels of measurement and how we could be able to determine which level we are at a particular time. Um, let's begin. I forgot to tell you something about what I did today, guys. I decided to go with the color part to color the pages because some people said they cannot see clearly what I put there. So I decided to go with the color so that it becomes very clear. So I hope this color coding part is very visible and you guys will be enjoying these tutorials. Okay, the 4 levels of measurement that we know of are no one. This one will be the ordinal one, ordinal level of measurement. Third one, interval level of measurement. And the last one is going to be level of measurement. Here, let's put here level of measurement. Let's put level of measurement here also. Now, since we know what these 4 are, let's explain each individually. It will help us. The very first one, which is the nominal level of measurement, it has a particular characteristics here. Let me say they are qualitative in nature. They have no computation. They are qualitative in nature and they have no mathematical computation. When you get here, which is the ordinal level of measurement, they are both quantitative and qualitative in that the only quantitative part will be being able to rank them or being able to sort them up in levels. So here we say data here is quantitative or qualitative. Data here is both quantitative and qualitative, and they um but you cannot make any meaning to their differences. No, let's say differences here. Ordinal level of measurement is if we go ahead and do the interval level of measurement, we say data here only you could find the differences between the data entries, and that will be about it. Data here can be you could say the meaning here. You could see, there's a meaning to the differences uh, has their differences, and also so they have meaning to the differences, and they can be compared. Like you could subtract them, and you could add them. Well, if you could be comparing them, the only thing you could be doing with them is be able to subtract them, um, add them. Um, the third part is the ratio level of measurement. Here is the highest level of measurement. Um, here you could do a lot of things with it. You could have, it has both quantitative measurements, quantitative and qualitative measurement. It has mathematical computation. You can compare, also you can the data trees. Could compare the data between two entries and they make meanings. Also, you could do something here. Ratio the entries in the data. Yeah, let me do it. Entries data here. A ratio. Find the four levels of measurement and what they are. So you could see that here you have both quantitative and qualitative measurement, and you could have mathematical computation with it, and you can compare two data between two entries, and they make meanings. And entries in this data can be in the ratio of another, and ratio could, or let's say percentages of another, percentages of another. That is how it's defined here. For us to be able to understand this, I went and I got 4 questions that's going to help us to understand what nominal level of measurement is, what ordinal level of measurement is, what quantitative um, interval level of measurement is, and finally what ratio level of measurement is. So these 4 items here, I'm going to go ahead and begin to answer them here. Answer. Going to be an answer here, and 1 affiliate in Pittsburgh. The question here is for us to, let me put a question on top here. Us, which one level of this question, discuss which level of measurement it is. And these are the questions. Let's put here question number 1, number 2, here question number 3, let's put here question number 4. So we have this question. So the first question was a network affiliate in Pittsburgh. All these networks can be found in Pittsburgh, and they're affiliated with ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox. All right, so discuss which level of measurement is it. Um, is let's find out which level of measurement this is. Um, this has just qualitative data. It has no quantitative data. So if you go to the definition, we said nominal level of measurement. Data here are qualitative in nature and they have no mathematical computation. So the very first one will be a nominal level of measurement. So we go to the answer and put there nominal level. So the second question is 5 TV programs: American Idol on Wednesday, Grey Anatomy, House, CSI. So we got these 5 TV programs, but they're all qualitative. But in front of the TV program is a number that is able to rank them. And so what kind of level of measurement would that be? You go back here It's an ordinal level of measurement. Data here is quantitative or qualitative, and they can be ranked. So here we know that is called ordinal level of measurement. The only difference between the first one and the second one is you could rank them in front of them. That another level is gravitating into a bigger level of measurement. So the next best level after the nominal is the ordinal. Type in the second one level. The third one, New York Yankees World Series victories. These are the New York Yankees World Series victories. And we're able to tell in years, 1923, 1927. These are the years that they were victorious. What kind of measurement, what level of measurement is it? Now, the level of measurement that it is here, it only has only quantitative data. There's no qualitative data to it. But you could do some computation with this. You could subtract the years that they succeeded and the years that they failed. So you're just manipulating mathematical data. So that level of measurement is what is called here measurement. Data here can be meaningful to their differences and they can be compared, subtract, add, you could add them, etc. So here, interval level of measurement. Then the very last one that I want to talk about is this question here. 2001 American League home run totals. So we have all the home runs for 2001, and we have Baltimore, Boston, and these are fiction. These are not real, home runs totals that they had in 2001. But for the sake of discussion, we put them here. And you have Baltimore, you have Boston, you have Cleveland, you have Detroit, you have Kansas City, Angeles, LA, Minnesota, etc. So we do have this. Now, we have quantitative data here, but we also do have qualitative data here. And you could still compare them, you could subtract them, you could add them, you could do a bunch of things with them. That's the highest level of measurement, and that's what we call ratio level of measurement. Here we say quantitative and qualitative. They have mathematical computation. You can compare the data between two entries and they make meanings. So here the last one is called that completes our tutorials on levels of measurement. In the next tutorials, we're going to take a different look at certain components of statistics.